Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this vintage fantasy and futuristic flair look or steampunk realness in DTI. So if you want to know how you can create this perfect steampunk outfit combo, just watch this video. So first for the hair in here, I only use this curly hair and color it a dark brown. Now let's just get started to create the look. Let me put on this top first and change the color into this color in here, this khaki color. And I'm going to combine it with this puff in here with the same color. And let's also grab these items in here and the long sleeves again with the same color. And I'm going to also put on the stockings in here, and let's put on this googles. Okay, so for the shoe, I'm going to wear this Mary Jane shoes and change the color into the dark brown color. Let's go put on some accessory first. I'm going to put on this one and change the color into dark brown and combine it with also with this patterns in here. Last color. Okay. Let me put on this necklace and change the first two color into brown. Now let's just go to the dressing room, and first I'm going to put on this skirt, change the first color into brown, and the second one use these patterns. For the top, I'm going to combine it with the stuff from the witch set. So just combine the color like this. For the lace, I'm going to use this color and also the cloth that closer. Put on the leg warmers in brown and also the classic socks from this ballerina shoe in brown also. Sorry, this color. And that's it. So this is the steampunk look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.